What's up, everybody? Welcome to the ReCoop. I'm your host, Cooper Daniels, and today is Wednesday, February 28th, folks. But it's not the last day of the month. We got one more. There's a 29 today, or this month, this year. Jesus Christ. How's everybody doing? Are we good? Is everybody good? Woke up to see Bitcoin up to almost 64,000. They rugged that real quick, but it's bouncing back. Coinbase is down. That's always a bullish event where everybody for a while thinks they lost all their money and they can't buy, they can't sell, they're stuck. It's a wonderful thing that Coinbase always does to us. Yeah, folks. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. So we'll look at the Coinbase stuff. We're going to look at CoinMarketCap like we always do. I'm hearing a lot of buzz about Lavazza and Algorand. Lavazza coffee, Italian coffee. Probably, isn't that the largest Italian coffee brand? They're tracking their supply chain or whatever on Algorand. Now, I don't know why this is a popular thing to talk about on Twitter right now. Did something happen? Because I don't see anything new about this because the Lavazza thing is several years old, isn't it? But I mean, what's going on there? Maybe you guys can put it in the chat. Let me know. Why are we talking about Lavazza now? Is there a new thing? Are they really in the game? Is that what we're thinking? Yeah, I'd love to know what changed there. What else is happening? I mean, the market, isn't it crazy? Anybody else? Man, my throat hurts today. Anybody else numb to all this now? Oh, wait, I didn't turn this on. Does it look better now? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Anybody else just numb to all the moves? When I saw Bitcoin was up to 64,000, I was like, all right, I mean, okay, cool. I mean, I own Bitcoin too. Like, it's good. It's good news for me. It's good. I mean, that's like a really positive discovery, 64,000. But I didn't care. And then it goes down 3,000 and I'm just like, yeah, okay. You know what I'm saying? It's fine. It's down a few grand. Whatever. Oh, Coinbase is down. All right. The U.S. government is spying on all Binance transactions. Whatever. No one cares. SBF is going to get off easy. Yeah, that's probably right. It's probably right. Probably be hard for him in jail. Doesn't matter. Sol's pumping. Okay. There you go. Go Sol. Anyways, what's going on? Anybody in the chat? What are we doing? Yeah. So how is this going to work? Are we ready for altcoin season? Like, how is this whole new paradigm? There's a paradigm shift happening. We got the ETFs. We got institutional players. Do they care about alts? Are all these U.S. investors actually going to move into alts? Or are they worried about the SEC? So they're only going to buy the Bitcoin ETF. And then once they get an Ethereum ETF, they'll do that. Did the ETH Foundation just call the top again? Because as far as I can tell by reading on Twitter and certain posts, it seems like the ETH Foundation sold. And they usually are fantastic at calling the top. We'll see what's going on. All right, let's see. So, where are we at? So, good day, everyone. Animal Style, thank you for showing up. Let's fucking go. Bought a nice bag of Coop yesterday with my various crypto salaries. Wilder has various crypto salaries, everybody, and he bought a bunch of Coop. How did that do? Did the market move? We're going to look at that. Vestige. Love to have you, Wilder. What's pop, lock, and dropping, B? Oh, man, no free game is coming in. Just wanted to hear me say that, didn't you? Let's fucking go. Cap Hits is here. Good day, troopers. Wilder, thank you, man. Even with the prices going up, I'm still crypto numb. That's right. Was that based on what I said? I think so. The liquidity is unreal for Coop, isn't it? Now you got me. Wilder's got me excited to look at Vestige today. I haven't checked Coop at all. But folks, pretty soon on Tiny Man and then next week on Packed, there's going to be some farms some GALGO Coop farms that are going to be attractive. So that thing does continue to grow. I looked, the last liquidity, the TVL that I saw for Coop was a little sub 300,000. So we'll see what it is today. Coop is unreal. That's right. That's right. Shout out to D13 and others for building and fostering the community. I mean, look, Wilder is here. Let's go. GM, what's up, Taco? We just heard, Taco, if anybody was listening to the VOI meeting, Taco has microphone trouble. The donor leaderboard is a thing of beauty. The CRV. Wilder is a Coop head. Did you guys know this? Smash that like button. Crypto for Change is in the building. Oh, shoot. He's back going rawr. Man, I should have bought it when it hit $50. I keep on looking at RAR because of Crypto for Change, but I don't really ever. I haven't pulled the trigger. Coop, you might be back to break even if you followed my buys. That's funny. How's Uncle Coop handling the flash crash? Well, I just told you, Uncle Coop doesn't give a shit. Time for alts to fly. We'll see. I'm baffled. Isn't the macroeconomic outlook not super great? Yeah, Eric, it's terrible. I mean, could we be in a worse situation? I feel like everything is. I mean, I have 15 gallons of water and 2 months of dry food supply to the right of me. Saying it out loud just makes me feel psychotic. But I mean, I have a go bag. All right. For when the nukes go up into space and they do something with outer space nuclear war. Guys, got to be prepared. When they attack the grid and we don't have electricity for a week, we start eating each other. All right. Wasabi, what's going on, GFY? Nice to see you. Good morning, the Platform and Co. The Platform and Co. Looks like IRL, but it's called the Platform and Co. Crypto for Change. We are numb to everything. I'm numb. I've waited for years for a pump. Fisherman has been waiting for years. And you know, by the way, it's so true. We have been waiting for years for this pump. Alts aren't really doing what we would want them to do. I mean, Bitcoin is doing exactly what we want them to do. And Ethereum is also doing big things. But are your alts doing it? Maybe a little bit. It's starting. I'm euphoric. Fisherman is euphoric. Good for you, man. I'm glad you care. Vince, good morning. Fisherman Algo is not getting the calls to pump. All right, give it a few days. Let's go, Coop. Can't buy, can't sell, bullish. Coop is a smart man. Got to get more and be ready. Hi, Coop. Hi, Rumi. Nice to see you. Let's be honest. Algo is just not doing what we want. But Lavazza, we're going to look into that. Well, good to see all of you. I'm glad that you were here. And let's just go on a little scroll. You guys want to scroll with me real quick? Let's see what's going on. I want to go to my alt bags are not moving crap. LOL. Hey, Coop. What's up, No Face? Yeah, we'll see. We're going to see what the alts are doing. It's probably around the same, right? But Bitcoin is over 60 grand. Isn't that crazy? And I don't care. Maybe as I keep on saying it, I'm getting a little excited. I want 100 grand. They promised that to you a couple years ago. Like, let's just bust through all-time highs and just start making, then the euphoria will come. And then the alts will rise. And then we'll all sing songs. But who sold that crash that wiped out 3 grand on Bitcoin? Who was that? So let's go Algo. Okay, let's go to CNBC real quick. Let's see what the stock market's doing, and then we'll keep on going. So we're going to share the screen. We're going to go to CNBC. I'm going to hit that share button, but then I'm going to be like, yo, we actually got to share it, or else everyone's going to be like, Coop, share your screen. Coop, share your screen. Why haven't you gotten the monitor? The guy gave you money for the monitor. Why haven't you gotten the new monitor yet? Share your screen, Coop. Okay. Here we go. We're here at CNBC. The stock market is, not in pain, but it is been ticking down. So Dow inches down for a third straight day as traders await fresh data this week. I think we're getting some inflation numbers tomorrow. So prepare yourself for whatever that's going to be. Google CEO tells employees Gemini AI blunder is unacceptable. right. Bitcoin jumps above 63,000 for the first time since November of 2021. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it did. Mitch McConnell to step down as Republican Senate leader in November. It's long overdue, Mitch. Saudi sovereign wealth fund to partner with men's tennis tour. So they did golf. Now they're doing tennis. All right. I'm not seeing anything that I need to read, but we do have, it'll be interesting for tomorrow. Here we go. FTX fraudster Bankman-Fried seeks less than 7-year prison sentence, claims he is at risk in prison. They emphasized when they were appealing for this that all victims are going to be made whole. And they also emphasized that he cannot last in there. So this guy is getting, you guys, some of you think that he's going to get 100 years. He's going to get a life sentence. He's not going to get that. You're lucky if he gets 5 years, folks. Here we go. We can look at this. Coinbase user sees zero balance after crypto trading app suffers glitch. Coinbase suffered a glitch on Wednesday that left many users seeing a zero balance. Bitcoin, which had just spiked to its highest since November 2021, saw its price drop by about 2,800 in a matter of minutes as reports of an outage surfaced. We are aware that some users may see a zero balance across their Coinbase accounts and may experience errors in buying or selling. Okay. We don't need to go through CNBC's reporting on that. All right. All right, screw it. Let's go to crypto news immediately. We don't need to. There's plenty. Oh, wow. Is it down under 60? Oh, shoot. Thought I saw it had bounced back to 61, but the selling has continued, folks. So you got the crash, and then it got back up to 61 and a half, and then it's now apparently down again. Oh, man. They do this to you. Man, I hope you guys, folks, you know why I'm numb? You guys want to know why I'm numb? Is because I just add Bitcoin a lot. Little bits. Just keep on adding. And I don't sell it. And I don't leverage myself much, ever. So I just been like, okay, I'm not selling 64. I'm just not gonna. I mean, all-time highs are inevitable. So they're going to get that. And then there's probably some euphoria that's going to come after that. And look at the money pouring into this thing. And then we have the halving coming. I'm not selling. It might be a dumb thing. But when it comes to Bitcoin, you sell your alts, you sell them, you trade them, you do whatever the hell you're going to do. Those things you can bring crazy returns, and then they'll give those returns back real quick. This is not financial advice, obviously. I'm just saying. Bitcoin's under 60. So we'll see what happens there. What to expect from Ethereum's Cancun Deneb upgrade. I went to Cancun once. That was a fun time. Okay, so it's all what it says. Value of country's Bitcoin holdings up over 40%. El Salvador, this guy looking like a genius, saving his country. This fake. Let's just look at this real quick. Craig Wright to face new allegations of forgery in COPA trial over Ontier emails. He's set to retake the stand on Friday to defend allegations initially made by his former lawyers that their correspondence submitted to court had been doctored. I mean, his former lawyers are saying this guy's a fraud. Look at him. Oh, man. Good for him. He really tried. He tried. And what a thing to try to do. Coinbase adds 2 software programs for Ethereum staking to reduce concentration risks. The publicly traded U.S. crypto exchange said it would add support for the additional Ethereum clients, computer programs used to access and run the distributed network. Okay. Oh, did you guys see this? Reddit will share ad revenue via the Ton blockchain. And it went pretty parabolic. So what are they doing? Yeah, Bitcoin's crashing. The Telegram ad network will open to advertisers in March, founder Pavel Durov said in a broadcast on his official channel. Just want to make sure I'm sharing all this shit. So we got here, Telegram to share ad revenue with users starting March, founder said on his broadcast channel. Channel owners will receive 50% of the ad revenue with payments settled on the blockchain. It's pretty cool. Pretty good. We got Ethereum actually in the red in the last 24 hours. So, but still significantly above $3,000. All right. Let's go to let's look at the block. Or no, was this Blockworks? We got Blockworks twice on accident. That's easy. Oh no, here we go. Let's go to the block. All right, the block. Okay, on the block, Bitcoin is above $60,000. SBF's family in jail bunkmate appeal for leniency in sentencing. His bunkmate's like, oh, this guy's a wimp. You got to get this guy out of here. All right. Okay, I don't really care about any of that. I mean, I'm sure I do, but we're blazing through today. I just want to look at prices. Coinbase says it's investigating zero balance issue amid 64,000 price pump. BlackRock notched all-time high Bitcoin ETF inflows on Tuesday. The latest total broke the previous daily net inflow high of 493 million on Valentine's Day Eve. Is that what we call that? Let's see. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, after breaking its trading volumes record each of the last 2 days, is now set a high mark for net inflows. Cool. Restaking. You got to look into the new restaking movement. Coinbase flips Ford and General Electric as Bitcoin pumps. All right, let's go. All right, well, there we go. Let me look at real quick. We'll go here real quick. We're on a crypto news type of day. Okay, so that's just a glitch. It's saying Ethereum rally is driven by the US, particularly on Coinbase, says Crypto Quant. All right. Cool. All right, let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what's going on. All right, Pepe's up 20%. Greed, we're in extreme greed. Bitcoin is holding on to 60,000. At 62, I mean, look at that volume. Volume is up to $72 billion. That's high. That's as high as we've seen in a while, folks. And I check this shit every day. All right, Ethereum is up too. Their volume is pretty high at 28 billion, down 3% in the last hour. Bitcoin is down 1.5%. So this is probably a lot of Ethereum Foundation selling. The last week, we got Bitcoin up 19%. So this is looking pretty good. BNB down, just like everything else. Solana down 110. XRP is finding its way back, underperforming the market. Crazy. It just took back a little bit. But yeah, 56. Cardano 61, down 5%. AVAX down to 38, down almost 8% in the last hour. Everybody's giving back gains. Let's see. Stacks is holding on to $3. Let's see. Algo. Monero looking good. 136, making its way back up. Yeah, we're getting a crash. Is it going to last? Are there people stepping in to buy? Algorand's at 20.5 cents, but not quite as down as bad as a lot of other ones in the last hour. Might catch up, but it's at, down almost 3% in the last hour. Something in my teeth. I'll share this tab instead. How about that? I wasn't sharing CoinMarketCap. Coop. Fix this. I saw your call. Oh my God. I saw your call. He's like, I literally gave my, because, well, it takes time I need to buy one. I just need to set it up. I need to do a lot of things, guys. I need to do a lot of things. At least I caught it. I saw Kentucky. Anyway, doesn't matter. All right. We're back. So yeah, Algorand. So you guys want to see this? So Algorand's down about 3% in the last hour. There you go. The volume is high, actually. Very high for Algorand. It's up to 130 and a half. It's 130 million volume in the last 24 hours. So now it's up in the last hour. It's pumping, folks. The market's turning around. All right, let's go see Vestige. All right, Vestige. Cuckoo token. Cuckoo token. The fuck is Cuckoo token? Pepe up 51%. Okay, we got chips in the green, over up 6.5%, folks. Looking good. DeFi is good. Polka Gold is crashing, down almost 11%, 2.5% in the last, and is down there to 17.5 cents. Opal's up 7.5% in the last hour. So we got some buying there. Coop is up 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Is up 1% in the last hour. We're over 3.5, almost 3 cents, over 3.5 cents. Sitting there at about 300,000 stable TVL, 400,000 total TVL, and $750,000 market cap. GORA is continuing to do well. Some decent volume at 36.5 cents. Ba-do-do-do. All right. Coop is trending. The fuck is Cuckoo token? It looks like it's kind of, is this like a joke about Coop? Is that a ghetto pigeon? I don't know what Cuckoo token is. Do you guys know what Cuckoo token is? Anybody know what Cuckoo token is? And then we had, let's see, let's look at the, okay, let's go to Coinbase support here. Okay, we're on Twitter, Coinbase support. We are aware that some users may see a zero balance across their Coinbase. Okay, so there's no update here. What the fuck is this? Everybody's calling me today. All right, let's look at let's search some stuff. That's pretty funny. Love it. All right. Purity's pack leading volume on Algo. Let's go. Did you guys get your good boy? Look at that, 34,000. We're on the screen. Up here. All right. I wanted to see. Let's just search. Is there any? Okay, nothing new. My Coinbase account tweaking, man. Okay, let's look at real quick before we. Algorand Foundation. ETH Denver. Any of you at ETH Denver? Jealous? I had a good time at ETH Denver. Tiny Man hit over 20 million TVL. Earlier this month, we notified the ecosystem that backend service for the Algorand randomness beacon was being migrated to be maintained going forward by the Algorand Foundation. As of today, we're excited to share that the new smart contracts are ready. What this means, if your application utilizes the Algorand randomness beacon, please update your app to call the new smart contracts as listed here. As always, reach out to the Algorand Foundation team on Discord if you have any questions. Do you guys who has a Pyrenees pack? Day by day, Evis is revolutionizing insurance with the Web3 platform powered by AI, offering transparent on-demand coverage for real-world assets. Congrats. Okay, so here we go. Calling all Algorand builders and innovators, GORA-Fi, powered by GORA's network Oracle technology, is excited to introduce GORA-Fi's first product, the first ever cross-chain Algorand launchpad. Okay, I thought that I was going to get to this. I thought the Lavazza thing. Didn't they tweet about it? I guess they didn't. Okay. That's funny. John Woods. I just learned global coffee brand Lavazza is using Algorand for their supply chain. Check it out. Data on chain is everything from farming to roasting. A bit like finding a $50 bottle of 50 in your pocket. Nice. And then Alexa, who is handling marketing, I believe, for the foundation currently. I've been here 3 years. I use dApps, own NFTs, and have planned 2 deciphers and know the ecosystem well. Reach out anytime. Plenty of people do. The great thing about a chain like Algorand is that a company like Lavazza can build on it without even telling us or needing their hands held. That's pretty epic. Let's work together. All right, there you go. So Lavazza is just using Algorand. Okay, so we got Eldar, Algorand Bull. Okay, I've had some time to do additional research on this and yet again get frustrated by Algorand's marketing team of the past. The first transaction Lavazza did on Algorand was in 2021. Considering brand recognition of Lavazza coffee, one would think CMOs would have flagged this real world use of blockchain. I truly hope the new CMO is significantly better. To be fair, it is a very low bar seen so far from previous CMOs, so it should not be hard to see improvements. But oh man, Eldar's going kind of scorched earth there, isn't he? Have you applied for the position? I'm almost certain you would have a strong chance of getting it. In all seriousness, only board membership is of interest from my side, considering my professional background and experience. Have you looked into it at all? Yes, I have asked a few times directly about it. Reality is that my no BS approach is not desirable for many wage suckers. Wild. Wake up and smell. Ciao Lavazza is the best known coffee brand in Italy. Okay, we're going to stop reading all that. Anything else? Yeah, man, mostly friends. When our best friends, Mingo? Come on, man. Governor Hat making the point. Coinbase may be down, but Tiny Man, Pact, Humble, Folks, Vestige, DeFly, and Para are all open for trades on Algorand, self custody, Anon. Learn it and love it. I agree with them. The famous Italian coffee brand Lavazza, which is also behind the Carte Noir brand, seems to be carrying out tests on Algorand. A few months ago, Lavazza published a study in which it used algo to improve the traceability of coffee. We can notably notice links on their website. It's a case study. Okay, so John was like, it's a case study from 2021, not current production use. If it were, we'd be singing. There you go. Apparently, they quietly decided to roll it into production. So they didn't even know, folks. They didn't even know. Lavazza's just doing it. Good for them. That's the way it should be, anyways. But it would be nice if, people that were promoting the chain, or I guess, are they not supposed to be promoting? I don't know what they're supposed to be doing. Who knows what the hell anybody's supposed to be doing? Anyways, the people that are marketing the chain and the adoption of the chain and trying to create further adoption should probably, Lavazza is a big deal. It's a big partnership. All right. Anything else? Now you're just scrolling my feed with me. This is always the Rich Flair wants to DM Lavazza. All right. All right. I don't know what she's talking about. Okay. Let's go back to the chat. How are you guys doing? I got quiet. Nothing like when I just get quiet. All right. Okay. So Vince is like, where's my return on my investment? Okay. Evening Coop fans, what's going on? Mort, how you doing, bro? He saw my call. I know. Oh man, freaking Algorand. The only hope I have for it is cheap and hated, so it may surprise everyone. Otherwise, doomsday. No face is calling the doomsday. The fuck is Flare? Fisherman says. What is Flare? It's like a layer 2. Our boss Coop is pamping. It just needs a little nap. It'll wake good. Jeffrey's here. Cuckoo token is Ghetto Pigeons. Gotcha. Thank you. Ghetto Pigeons token for their game. Sweet. Nice. Follow the ReCoop, Choice Coin says. Follow the ReCoop. All right. Coinbase is back up. Algo Eco has delivered the news that Coinbase is no longer saying all of your wealth is gone. Lavazza on it. I prefer to have a stupid frog on Algo who makes the price pump. Real world use, nobody cares. Literally, not even the foundation cares. Algorand itself is like, oh, yeah. Lavazza, oh, yeah, forgot to mention it. I guess they're doing something. That's kind of cool, right? Actually using the blockchain. Didn't know anybody would give a shit. They use Algo Explorer to link to transactions, unfortunately. That sucks. Well, they need to fix it. They need to go to Allo. Allo. All right. Well, folks, I feel pretty good about this. Let's look at the coin market cap real quick. Let's see what the market's doing before we sign off. We're gonna do this right though, because you guys will get mad at me. It's like you guys are so demanding that I do this right. Okay, Bitcoin's back up, almost to 61. So was that just a quick little, we're going to take this money and now we're going back up? Because it looks like the market is pushing back towards freedom. Algo, 20.5 cents. All right, folks. Well, why the hell I bet on Italians? What the fuck? No Face is having a morning. He's like, fucking Bitcoin's over 60,000. Stupid Ethereum's freaking so much money. Ethereum's, what is it? 3,300. It's like fucking Solana is up like 1,000,000%. And then Algo's 20.5 cents. God damn Italians. Fucking grazie mille. No grazie mille. No. I do not thank you 1,000,000 times, Algorand. Nah. Come stai? No bene. No bene, Algorand. No bene. All right. That's it. All right, folks. Hey, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is an exciting day. I'm excited about tomorrow. Make sure you set the notification, set a reminder. You got to check out the Algo Foundry space tomorrow because we're going to be talking to Coin Fabric. So Coin Fabric is going to be an exciting chat. I think everybody's going to really want to not miss that because we're going to learn a lot about Algorand. Babe, du Pepe. Cazzo. Maybe No Face is Italian. And he's like, my people stink. The men, they cheat on the women. Little scooters and suits. Nice suits on scooters. Free focaccia. The wine bar. Stupid. Ancient buildings. God damn it. Algorand, it's the best technology. Well, it's Italian, so it sucks. All right. He's not Italian. Okay. All right, folks. Coinbase has too much money to experience technical difficulties. It is kind of crazy that every single time the market makes extreme moves, Coinbase won't let you buy and sell until it cools off. And now they're like, okay, now you can buy again, or now you can sell again. But you wished you could have sold at 63, didn't you? But now you got to sell at 60. Freaking Ferrari. Who has a Ferrari? All right, guys. Hey, so tomorrow, make sure you check out the Coin Fabric Twitter space that I'm doing with Algo Foundry and Kevin. That'll be at 2 p.m. Eastern. And then before that, at 10 o'clock, you will have me doing my show. We'll see what happens over the next 24 hours. Are we going to be back on that rocket ship, or are they going to take down Tron today? You never know. You never know what these people are going to do. So that's why crypto is exciting, and that's why we continue to talk about it, because something is always new. All right, folks. I appreciate you, and ciao, Micha, ciao, kittens.